I'm Randy Brogdon, and I approve this message.
You know, it would be nice to know day to day how much you have in your checking account. It'd be tough to live if you didn't know how much money you had. Would you realize we have no idea how much we're worth in the United States today? We need to audit the Fed. We need to get a true accounting on our debt. Auditing the Fed could be a very simple process that I think would be an eye-opener for most Americans today. You deserve to know what America's worth. The politicians have no right to hide that from you. My goal as a United States Senator is to force the issue to audit the Fed and audit it now.
Paid for by Brogdon for U.S. Senate.